Nature vocabulary. Planets. Universe. Milky Way. Sun, moon, stars. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Venus. Venus is closest to the Earth. Earth and the Moon size. This is how we live. Mars and the red color planet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn. Saturn, it has beautiful rings. Uranus and Neptune, white, blue, and a sea. Neptune is the white. Where are planets? Nature sound. Nature for kids. Forest. Sea. Sirs.